shop, and for my Ruko science project, I created a course that will drop a water bottle in your recycling bin.
Okay, so let's explain the parts, please.
I have a pulley.
Hold on. Let's get this. There we go. So.
I have a pulley system. Here I have an inclined plane. And I have a screw here. An inclined plane or a wedge. A switch. The domino's a switch. And another pulley machine.
Yes, keep going.
That's all.
And then over there's the end.
There's the bin. This is the recycling bin where the water bottle drops.
And then the water bottle is behind. Let's see.
Yeah, it is.
It's going to drop in that bucket.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's give it a try, please. You're okay for now. That's another incline. Okay. Try
It
again.
didn't work. No.
Okay. Hold on. Easy. Okay, resetting it. So that is going to trigger this pulley to lift that ball to go into the inclined plane. The ball's not ready. Hold on.
I'll put it on.
It's okay, Vic.
Okay.
Alright. So there's the ball. Take two.
Take two.
So here's our, go ahead. Ball's in. Down the corkscrew. Inclined plane and boom.
Yeah!
It knocked the which was holding the string attached to the water bottle, which is now successfully in the bin. Hey.
We call for celebration.
Okay. Thank you and cut.